Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Galaxy A51 from Samsung that needs a screen replacement. And check out this guy. It's tired and cracked. So just like any other screen replacement procedure that we do here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we're going to remove the back cover on this Galaxy A51. And as you can see, it bends. That's showing us that it's made of plastic, which is kind of cool because it's a very shiny material at the back, but it's very flexible, which is actually pretty nice compared to your glass back, but it's not really that resistant to scratches as well. But it's really easy to remove. But the adhesives here, we need to cut it out. And we're gonna proceed now to removing the screws on the motherboard shroud. This one is just one piece. And as you can see, the polish on the plastic compared to your flagship Samsung devices is not that refined, which is pretty understandable because it's a budget smartphone. And as you remove this one, it's also the side cover for the smartphone. And right here we have the motherboard. We're gonna unscrew it to extract all the components that are attached to the screen. This is the motherboard, and then the battery at the center and the daughter board at the bottom. We're gonna remove it. And also some of the components that we're gonna harvest, just like the battery, which is attached by a strong adhesive. So the screen replacement on this one is kind of difficult because it involves full disassembly and of course extraction of seated material with adhesive. And right here we're gonna just transplant all of them. So you may think that it's very easy, but yeah, it's easy. But we're just fast forwarding this process just so you won't get bored on the whole thing. And this is the shroud slash chassis, which gives the entire smartphone its rigidity. So as you can see the difference between the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy A51. This one is just miles lower compared to the finishing. But when you put back the back cover, it looks like a pretty decent smartphone. So we're gonna test it out. And it's working. Look at that. And of course, the back cover, just making it look brand new again. Once you replace the screen on your smartphone, it looks really brand new and kind of unblemished, but at the back it's not the same thing. So let's test out the buttons, the screen, the camera, all the components before we give it out to the customer. And so far it's all good to go. Look at that. It looks really brand new. The next thing, of course, we're gonna put the free tempered glass that David has here. And I'll give you a moment to enjoy this application. And it's done. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. Join us next time. Cheers!